But one thing the administration must focus on right now, above all, is fixing the problems we're having with testing. The most powerful tool in responding to a virus is to know precisely where it is and how it is spreading. Because the administration took weeks before they developed an accurate test, because the administration was slow to ramp up the number of Americans tested, and is now having trouble turning around the results of those tests at a fast enough pace, we are now far behind where we ought to be in understanding how far the virus has already spread. The United States has the best hospitals, doctors, and scientists in the world. Yet, currently, we are lagging far behind other countries when it comes to testing our citizens. We're behind the United Kingdom, behind France, behind China, behind Switzerland, the Netherlands, Israel, Japan, and Italy. Every day we read a new story in the press about Americans having difficulty getting a test for a coronavirus, even though they are displaying symptoms. Our own Secretary of Health and Human Services was unable to say how many Americans have been tested. It is shocking. It is infuriating. If other countries can do this, why can't we? If other countries do it right, why can't we? South Korea, which has far more prevalent amounts of coronavirus, is already seeing the number of new reports go down because they've done extensive, thorough, and accurate testing. The results here, why we are not doing as well as other countries, is a direct result of the colossal failure of leadership and planning from this administration and this president. One word describes the Trump administration's response to the coronavirus so far: incompetence. I know there are hardworking CDC scientists and experts trying to help the American people. The political appointees are the ones who seem not to get it and are putting politics over the safety and security of the American people. And it goes right to the top. In the midst of a public health crisis, a serious and dangerous public health crisis, the president has repeatedly pushed unscientific claims about the coronavirus and the availability of a vaccine, and given bad advice to Americans who might have symptoms. If the president would just keep quiet, it would be better than what he's doing now, which is negative. But what we really need is leadership. More than ever, we need the president to drop the conspiracy theories, end the Panglossian optimism, and the unscientific speculation. Now more than ever, we need President Trump to lead our government's response with competence and to be truthful with the American people. As I said yesterday, we're all rooting for that. But the president and his administration must take a hard look at the mirror, focus on the problem at hand, not the side effects, and get to work on fixing them.